Hey everyone, this is Eric Dowds, a digital nomad with a digital pancreas, and today I have a solution specifically for type 1 diabetic runners, plus a giveaway for anyone that wants to get into running. You see, so anyone that is an athlete with diabetes uses test strips to check their blood sugar 6 to 8 times a day. And if you're fortunate like I am, you might wear a CGM. I wear the Dexcom G5, as if you guys can see through. Either way, so I only test my blood sugar twice a day, and then if you're on the G6, you don't even have to calibrate anymore. But the thing is, when you go out on a run, you should always bring your meter and test strips with you, and as you bounce along, you basically sound like a maraca. And that's either going to drive you insane or your running partner insane. So, I'll give you a solution in the moment, but I just want to say I have been so inspired by everyone that did the New York City Marathon. What's cool is that I got to see Amy McKinnon, who is responsible for... Hold on. Amy McKinnon, who inspired me to do my own marathon in Copenhagen with one of my high school friends. Just as a reference, it also feels like it is 3:30 in the morning for us. We legitimately landed yesterday, so most ambitious thing I've ever done in a new country. And then during the actual race, I got to see Marie Diaz, who's Nerds Can Fight. We got this really nice photo together to just capture the moment. I got to run with her for a very short amount of time. And then Raquel Alongi, who's a type 1 diabetic, she flew down from Toronto. Her and I built the juice box wall, which was an adventure. But when we did that, Brittany saw us pulled over, or ran over, at mile 20 and just burst into tears.
Okay. Brittany, you're doing great. You're so strong. Oh my god, you guys gonna be crying. I've been crying this whole day.
And then I've been doing Instagram lives with Dave Holmes. And so all of these people that came out with type 1 diabetes to run the marathon got me inspired, especially because I'm off my bike, to renew my New York Roadrunners membership and then sign up for the 9+1 so I can do the marathon in the future. At least that's the goal. Now, if you also are getting into running, and it's the winter, at least here in New Jersey it is, but you can get over that. You can wear a hat, you can wear long sleeves, we can push through this. So either way, if you got into running, here is an easy solution for this issue. Now, some people recommend taking a cotton ball to silence it, but if you're like me, you're more likely to have a marshmallow than a cotton ball. So take a $5 bill, $1 bill, whatever it is, and then just crumple it up and yeah, that's pretty awesome. Now, I mentioned a giveaway, but we're gonna have to go to a beginning of a race. Alright, that last image is my high school friend Margot, who volunteers at Girls on the Run. This was their Turkey Trot 5K. Really incredible. This an awesome little event. But to tell you guys about the giveaway that's happening, which is in the link below to enter, there's kind of a lot, but it's all the gear that I use on all my runs and normally all my bike rides as well. And so, just running through the list, these pair of Revo sunglasses. These are polarized sunglasses, perfect to get outside. I use these for my triathlons, biking across America, running. This sweet Type 1 Run t-shirt, amazing organization underneath Beyond Type 1 now. $25 gift card to Road ID, which is the medical alert bracelet that I use. And then finally, to keep my low snacks while running, I use a spy belt. So in here right now, I believe, are dates, and then some gummy bears. And then also, I forgot I had this in here, if you leave a comment below about a race that you enter over Thanksgiving, Christmas, any of the holidays, I'll pick someone and give you guys $10 off to Road ID. So I also have that. So check it out in the link below, and remember that you can do anything and go anywhere. See you, everyone.